Hi everyone, welcome to Zero to Hero YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the fundamental overview of GDG, which is Generation Data Group. If you are new to mainframe technology and eager to learn the fundamental concept, check out my videos and my playlist. Okay, now let's see what GDG actually means. What is GDG? GDG stands for Generation Dataset Data Group. It is a collection of related dataset, usually PS files, which is physical sequential dataset. Each dataset in the group is known as generation. You can have up to 255 generation in a single GDG. Now let's see the difference between what is absolute and relative names. Absolute name, which determines the full permanent name. Here, for example, I have taken my GDG base dot G 0003V00. Here, my GDG base is the GDG base where once the name is created, it can't be changed. It's like a permanent ID card. And this one denotes the generation name and version. Now let's see what this relative name means. A relative name is a shortcut used in JCL. 0 which represent current generation, 1 plus 1 which represent next generation, and minus 1 which represent previous generation. For example, I was taken G0003V00. So this is the current generation. If it is next generation, which is 4. If it is previous generation, which is 2. Now let's see GDG parameters. Empty. When the limit is reached, all generation are deleted. Only the new ones remains. NOEMPTY. When the limit is reached, only the old generation is deleted. New one is added, which means, for example, let's take we have we have taken limit as 5. Once the 5 is reached, all the 5 generation will be deleted, and the 6th generation will be available. This is the part for empty parameter. No empty means once the 5 reached means 5 limit reach, only the oldest generation is deleted, which is 1 will be deleted, 1 limit will be deleted, and new 6th limit will be added. It's like a first in and first out. Make a note of it. Okay, now let's see the next parameter. Scratch and no scratch. Scratch, which deletes dataset completely from the disk, and we can't able to recover. No scratch, which removes only catalog entry, but the dataset will be available on the disk. Here, most of the cases we use NOEMPTY and scratch only. Please make a note of it. Hope you have understand the concept what we have discussed now. Now let's have a quiz time. Comment your answers in the comment box for this below questions, like what is GDG, what is limit and max limit can be created in one GDG, what is the difference between absolute and relative names, what is the difference between empty and no empty, and what is the difference between scratch and no scratch.